Hi everyone, this is a follow-up to my review that I did a number of weeks ago on my new Emerald X20 carbon fiber guitar. Isn't it pretty? Well, I had a few comments from people, and let me back up a little bit. If you remember, or if you've never seen the review, I used a lavalier microphone, which is right up here, to capture the sound of both my voice and the guitar. The reason for that is my ears are up here, the guitar's down there. I figured the lavalier microphone is going to pick up the sound better and closer to what my ears hear since it's above the guitar. But I did have a few people who made comments about it would be nice to compare the sound of the guitar coming through the lavalier microphone compared to, say, microphones sitting out front. So what I did was I purchased a Zoom H4n Pro, and I've recorded both using the lavalier microphone again, and then using the Zoom portable recorder, just to compare the two. I also had someone who made a comment about how much different this X20 sounded to the sound files when they look at the Emerald guitar site. The only thing I can think of is that when they record the guitars for the site, for their marketing department, they do post-production. In other words, they use compression, maybe a little reverb, things like that, to sweeten the sound and just make the sound of the guitars sound better than they would if you sat in front of them or played one of them. The way I do it, everything's flat. I haven't added any EQ up or down. I haven't added any compression, and I have not added any reverb. So what you're going to hear is the sound of the guitar through the lavalier microphone first, and then through the sound of the H4n Pro microphone, sitting about a foot, maybe a foot and a half away from, kind of on this angle right here, sitting right there. You may see it in the photo, the frame, you may not. Anyways, let's take a listen. Well, did you notice a difference? I'm curious because I'm taping this now. I'm going to go back to my computer, upload the files, and listen to them and see what I think. What do you think? Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time.